around. Look.
Yeah, behind you, follow. Don't wait for me, please. I'm coming. Don't.
Move on. Go.
Way, my
I've got you.
Their positions. Any unattendance will be punished by nest arrest until the... Come along. Pens in the front, box in the rear. You there. Stay in line.
Wakey, it's your Tuesday!
Oh no, don't take my egg away. Oh, it's okay, I'm fine.
Hatching today?
I'll be fine. You go. Mummy, and stay quiet for today. We have a plan.
Open up, Popo. We know you're in there.
3 eggs to the equilibrium. You keep the 4th.
Oh, my throat. I think I heard about a pigeon who caught it and he sneezed his beak off.
Quit squawking, man. Move along. Today is the day.
Where's me?
Me!
Me? Let me guess. Ah! Underground up in the air. You've got this buzz on the brain.
Buzz on the brain, give me your name. Buzz on the brain.
You'll see.
What's her name? That's me. Ask her.
I'm Hoopu.
How many are you expecting, Chickabiddy?
Just one. I only hatch one egg a year. A very rare bird.
Well, how do you manage with no eggs to trade?
My husband owns our fruit. He's an engineer.
Troll.
Quiet.
Will you help me? You have so many chicks.
I said! Excellency, the exchange awaits you. Begin.
Birdbounds, there is nothing but the horror.
Nothing but the horror.
Terror. Now we live in ease and comfort, and it is bird. I, Condor, accept your plea in all.
Thanks to you, brave Condor. Thanks to you, brave Condor. Thanks to you,
Equilibrium.
And a left. And a right. That's it. Keep the formation. Thank you.
Help me.
Hey, you! Get back in your position!
Fly away, Mother Bird. Go on.
The equilibrium is achieved.
Your Excellency, let me assist you.
Now, time for the feast.
Thanks to the tree and to the master of Birdabad who delivered us from the horror.
Wakey. Horror comes.
Me!
Oh, did you see that?
Nice little hole. Fruit freak. Too bad your fruit lady don't...
Nothing of the world beyond this tree. Just eating and sleeping. Sleeping and eating. Eating.
It's worth more than all their jabbering. Why do we live like this? Why do we let them tell us?
To see. Let's show her the world beyond this tree. Let's show her what she can be.
It's so beautiful. Look. Did you see? So good. Beyond Birdabad, in the sunshine. There must be hundreds of trees, all with...
My dear Craven,
Yes, Your Excellency.
the equilibrium is the zenith of the wisdom system, and the system always works. What's this?
Fruit whenever you want. No exchange.
No exchange?
Your brains are addled.
Lie.
Lie?
There are more trees out there.
Enough talk. Stop them! Stop them! You cowards, go on!
there.
In a land full of trees. It is safe from it. Nowhere except Berdabat. Now you see what you've done? Idiots! Hooligans! Look what you've done!
We only wanted to keep our egg.
Stupid featherhead! I'm gonna rip you apart, sinew by sinew. I'm gonna crack you like lions.
Someone lives here. I can hear the buzz.
Won't it? You take that. That's better. Nice to see you. Square-headed lover bird is going to stand by and see his chick torn to shreds in front of him.
Amazing, eh? There was this berry that glowed. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it's the buzz.
Chick.
Well, I saw it and then...
Stay away from me.
Stay away from me. I can't stay away.
Stay here. Hold this.
Yeah.
Don't move. Don't even breathe. I'm coming! Hassan. Baby? I wish you could speak to me. Hassan, are you there?
أهلا 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 يا ألف أهلا وسهلا.
Are you? Me! Pull me up! Where are you? Where am I?
Deep pit.
A pit?
A deep. A bed.
That? I'm having an egg any day now, see? But then my darling Hassan fell into this deep, deep pit. Just away. I'm lost and alone, and I can't go home.
Oh, يا عيني يا عيني. Leave. Leave. Do you need my help?
Yes, please. Would you please save Hassan? You won't. I promise. He's this tall, very handsome. White feathers, yellow eye.
Yellow. Give my eye, please. Eyes. Could we see through darkness?
This is not an eye.
I fall asleep. If I carry you by night, and you have seen the sun, daughter of light?
Yes? Isn't it very far?
Far above all fears, beyond all horror.
But...
Shall we go? You can climb on.